It's the final day of this 3-day hearing, which is part of the wrongful death lawsuit against Camp Mystic and its owners filed by the family of Cile Steward. The 8-year-old from Austin was swept away in the floodwaters last summer, and her body has never been found. These hearings are about the fight to preserve key pieces of evidence from the July 4th floods before the case actually moves forward. The judge is deciding whether to continue her order from last month that temporarily shut down the camp's flooded areas. At issue is whether the camp can continue rebuilding after the floods tore through cabins and fields, or if it must actually preserve what the stewards say is critical physical evidence, such as campers' sleeping cabins, floodwater markings on the walls, building access routes, and communication systems that were in place at the time of the flooding. The family says since the case could ultimately hinge on physical evidence, changes to the site could make it more difficult for experts to essentially reconstruct how the floods happened or assess whether campers had viable evacuation options. The Stewards have also asked the court to prevent any commercial use of the property, which could prevent the camp from using it to operate. Camp Mystic has applied for a license to reopen its Cypress Lake camp for this summer. Whatever the judge decides to do, it could have big implications for the physical evidence available at trial and also the possibility of Camp Mystic reopening.